Today we're going to be making a rocket ship or spaceship, some kind of rocket. And I have 14 fourth graders with me. And are we 9 years old? How many are 9? Okay, we have mostly 9-year-olds. Is there a few 10?
Yeah.
I have about half 9-year-olds. Oh no, mostly 9, a few 10s. And is there anybody who is 8? No, one 8-year-old? Okay. So we have 8, 9, and 10-year-olds. Anybody 11? Going for 11. All right. So at the end of the video, we will show your examples, and so they'll be of 8, 9, and 10-year-olds. So we're going to start by making. Let's make a horizontal line, and this is going to be a vertical rocket. So we're going to make a horizontal line, come across our page, and leave about 4 fingers and a good hand space. So you want to leave room for the tail, the blasters, so don't put it real close to your edge. You just want to leave quite a bit of room there. And then look, you want to leave enough room for your nose of the rocket up here. Okay? From there, we're going to go over just a little bit, and then we're going to go diagonally down. And we're going down about 3 fingers. And I'm going to round this rocket tip, round, and then I'm coming over horizontally. So I'm keeping this as parallel as I can. And today we have some 4th graders with us, and so they should know what parallel means, right?
Yes.
Okay, what does it mean? What does it mean? Yes, 2 lines.
No, that's perpendicular.
2 lines that never meet, sure. So look, these are equal distance. So if I measured here to here, here to here, it would be equal. If we continue these into space forever, they would never meet. All right, so here we go. Now I'm going to get 2 diagonal lines. So look, these are just designs in the rocket. Diagonal, diagonal, then keep this horizontal, just connecting. And of course, as you create your rocket, you're the designer of it. I'm going to put a horizontal line here. Now look, find the center of this diagonal line, put a horizontal line, and then I'm going to go down and round to connect to this line. This is part of the back of the rocket. This is going to form a tail. I think that's what you would call it. I'm not a rocket expert. So we're going to come up diagonally, and I'm heading toward the corner, but of course not touching. And I'm going to do the same on this side, up diagonally, and then I'm going over horizontally. And look, keep it straight, and then if it does not meet, make it intersect together. And I know our 4th graders are working on these terms, intersect and parallel, vertical. Now we're going to put some kind of rocket booster or rocket jetpack, something like that. I don't know exactly what they're called. But we're coming up diagonally. Go up diagonal, down diagonal. This looks like some kind of engine section where all the smoke comes out. So and then I'm going to connect it vertically. Double vertical line now. Oops. Mine was a little wavy, but don't worry about it if yours is isn't perfect. And then I'm going over from this tail. This kind of looks like a tail fin to me. I'm going over and I'm dropping it down to connect to this blaster or booster or whatever you want to call that. And so this is the basic shape of it. And then you can add, I'm going to put another vertical line here and add a pattern of horizontal lines in here. So actually we're using a lot of different kinds of lines. This rocket has some design on it here, 2 little circles here, and then it's got an oval here. This could be a logo in this area. And then there's going to be a design area here. Maybe this is part stainless steel or some kind of ceramic. I'm going to diagonal line, go over vertical, drop down, over horizontal, up diagonal, over, and drop down. This is just to define some kind of bottom to side, just to give some fancy design. This looks like some kind of light or something here. Curve, straight line, and then we can get some windows in here. I'm going to go over horizontal, horizontal, drop down vertical. Horizontal, make a rectangle here, and a circle here. You can stick some circles in. Ovals, this is just for patterning, I guess. Ovals. And then this particular one has 3 circles here. 1, 2, 3. And then I've got a rectangle in this rocket here. If you want to fill it with windows, and this one has a curve here for design. And there's our basic rocket. Now if you want it right up on top, here's a curve. Now if you want to fill it with, you know, stars, it could be blasting through the atmosphere, blasting through space, you know, about to approach Earth. If you want to have a little bit of Earth, if I were to make this my picture, I'd have it like Earth in the distance. So I'd make a curve to show this is Earth right here. It's about to land. And then maybe you want to put, if you want to stick in United States here, we're from Florida, so I'm going to make sure we put Florida. So it's going to head to the Kennedy Space Center here. And so I put my little star here where it's about to land. Of course, you have Canada and up in here and stuff. And so there's part of our Earth here. And stick the Keys, some Bahama Islands in here. And this is the Gulf of Mexico. But if you can design it any way you want. But that's what I would do if I was going to make it a rocket picture. But let me show you what my 4th graders made today for some examples. Oh, I got some already. Oh, now you don't have to put my Earth right here. They did my Earth, but you don't have to. Oh, somebody wrote NASA. Yeah, you decorate it the way you want. Okay?
That was mom.
You bring yours out quick. And of course, you know, depending on your page, you know, you can make up this rocket. You can design your own rocket. Here's some of our 4th graders today, and we are all celebrating because it is what? Yeah. Okay. And this is a giant one right here. And I want to thank you for sharing these pictures with me. And if you want to make more fun things, you can look at, here's one going this way, TA Blue 88, and you'll find more fun videos on TA Blue 88 on YouTube. And thank you.